This is the afternoon briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 26th of January. Did I say Wednesday? This is Thursday, the 26th of January. Sometimes in this business, you never know what day it is. Thursday, the 26th. And the weather's pretty decent today, colder than average, and we're going to be dry through Saturday. Rain comes back Sunday, and a pretty good chunk of next week could be wet, and we might have some flooding issues along the way before it's over. So let's see what's going on here. This is the upper air look across the country today. And we got a broad trough over the eastern United States that's pulled down the chilly air that we feel today. There's the visible satellite view, the sky bright and sunny over the southern counties of the state. Got a few scattered clouds over North Alabama, and the sky mostly cloudy near the Tennessee River and points north up near the Tennessee state line. But those clouds will be pulling out this evening. Everybody will likely be mostly clear tonight, and needless to say, nothing happening on radar. Those temperatures were captured at 1 o'clock today. Only 42 in Aniana, 43 for Cullman and Haleyville. Down to the south, 50s for Mobile and Dothan. These values about 10 degrees below average for the end of January. Check the watch warning map across the country. Got some scattered issues up north. Wind advisories, parts of the Dakotas. Winter storm warnings for parts of Montana. But the good news, no severe weather today and tonight. No thunderstorms today and tonight. Same thing tomorrow. No convection across the country. And then Saturday, which is day 3, there could be some thunder west of the state with that next wave, and that'll be in here Sunday. And there could be some thunder across Alabama Sunday, but no severe storms are expected. But a lot of rain for the next 7 days. This is the rain valid through Thursday morning of next week. This is suggesting some parts of the Tennessee Valley could see greater than 3 inches of rain, between 2 and 3 inches for much of central Alabama, and then 1 to 2 inches for the far southern counties of the state. We'll see multiple waves of rain to deal with next week, as you'll see as we go through modeling. Model fans. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Again, broad troughing over the east, and tomorrow should be a sunny, cool day. We start the day below freezing. Many places will be in the 20s. High tomorrow in the middle 50s, right where we should be for this time of the year. This is Saturday. We're still dry as the weekend begins. Saturday morning, the low near freezing. The high Saturday will be in the 50s for North Alabama, 60s for the southern counties of the state. But a pretty decent day to start the weekend. But here comes the rain on Sunday. Cloudy, cool, periods of rain. Temperatures in the 50s for North Alabama, 60s over the southern counties. And again, there might be some thunder, but no severe weather. Monday, the bulk of the day should be dry. Any lingering rain ending during the pre-dawn hours Monday. Probably some sun, we'll say partly sunny. The high close to 60. But then Tuesday, a surface boundary drops in from the north, and that could bring some rain on Tuesday. And what's going to happen, the boundary stalls out. It becomes parallel to the upper air winds, and that means unsettled weather through midweek. This is Wednesday. The most widespread rain could be across the northern part of the state, and this is a week from today. Thursday, the 2nd of February, and shortwave energy off to the west, and once again with that stall boundary, we're still wet. And probably that rain continues into Thursday night, and a pretty decent chance we'll see some drier air by Friday of next week. But again, you can see we'll have multiple waves of rain Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Thursday night. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, the 5th of February. And again, broad troughing a little west of Texas, and if that's right, the weather here would be quiet, seasonal, with showers off to the west. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the GFS ensemble, and the mean will be around 4 inches or so. And that'll be the case between now and the 9th of February. Again, a fairly wet look here evolving. We'll check temperatures. This is coming off the national blend of models for Birmingham. And again, if you average out these numbers, pretty close to where we should be for this time of the year. Most days, highs in the 50s. Many days, lows in the 30s and 40s on through the first part of February. And hot off the presses, we got the brand new CPC Outlook. This is for the 3rd through the 9th of February. And if this verifies, the coldest air would stay north of here, with temperatures maybe a little above average around here. And it's kind of a battle with this upper high that's parked over the Florida Peninsula, kind of blocking the intrusion of colder air in here through at least the 9th of February. And again, I firmly believe we'll have many more cold snaps to go this winter. If you've lived around here a long time, you know it gets really cold at times in March. And we've had some really big snow during the month of March and even the first week of April. So, again, winter is far from over. And did you see the Fall Streak holes this morning? Pretty evident there in visible satellite imagery. I thought that was slightly cool. Typically, those are caused by aircraft. And what happens, the wind will go up and under the wings, and the air expands and it cools, and you get this ice crystal formation. The ice crystal is a bit heavier. They fall, kind of leaving that hole, giving that effect, which is slightly cool. In fact, here's an animation that was kind of cool of those fall streak holes coming through parts of South Alabama, Georgia, and the Carolinas today. Weather is always interesting, isn't it? Hey, let's roll that Pepsi Kid Cam. Yeah, buddy. Come on now, third graders. Pelham Ridge Elementary School. A lot of good-looking kids. You know, the fashionable kids there, they got some good-looking outfits. I'm just saying, I see some very fashionably dressed children here in this group. But the third graders were just outstanding today. We had a great time in the library. I love coming to Pelham Ridge. Look at the cookies. Cookies with a message. You respect the Polygon. That's what you do when you're on a severe weather day. But to all the teacher, look at that. Look at the outfit there. That's awesome. I wish I had a good-looking tie like that. But to all the kids at Pelham Ridge, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. So that's it for the afternoon briefing. I will have a briefing tomorrow morning. I'm not working the TV shift tomorrow night, but I'll do a briefing tomorrow morning, and then kind of back to the two-a-days on Monday. Don't forget, we have notes on the blog, alabamawx.com. No book signing this Saturday. The next one is going to be a week from Saturday in Huntsville at the Rocket City Weather Fest on the campus of UAH. And that's going to be a lot of fun. I'll be speaking, all kind of exhibits and hands-on stuff. They'll have some cool weather equipment and vehicles out there. So, again, that's the Rocket City Weather Fest. If you've got kids or if you like weather, I mean, come on, if you're watching this video to this point, you got to be a dweeb here, a nerd. But come see us. That'll be in Huntsville 1 week from Saturday. And if you can, join us on ABC 3340 News this evening, right across the hall here in Studio A at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.